What's going on, everybody? I'm Jeff Robe, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? Today, I got another super sick underwear company for us to check out, making sure everybody's boys are going to be taken care of. No chafing around here. Got to keep everybody comfortable. You can't really look good and feel good if you're not taking care of the basics, and we're going to start with the underwear. And if you need any of the information that we're going to talk about, remember, drop down in the description and check out the comments. Leave a comment, leave a like. It helps me out, pushes the video out into the algorithm. That's what I want. I want to try to help as many people save money and look and feel the way that they want to feel. So please help me do that. But not only can you get the information for the products in today's video, you can also get the link to my Discord, which is going to give you direct access to communicate with me personally, and also over 1,600 other people that are already members in the Jeff Robe Discord. So what are you waiting for? Pop on over there and join right now. But yeah, let's go ahead, pull this into shot. Came in this really, really beautiful square box. Got this textured outer paper. Let's check her out. It is that time of year if you're about to go back to school or whatever, you know. Got to get some new draws. Monday, Tuesday. Very cool. This packaging is actually super sick. So this is from BKIEO. Right there. And if you know me, I love to coordinate absolutely everything. It just makes my ADHD self very happy. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It looks like there's actually 8 pairs in here, so you get like a bonus pair. So this is going to slide out, and then once again, BKIEO right there. Very, very cool. Leaves you with this box, and then I'm sure if you just... Oh, that's so cool. Okay. Oh, I thought there was a bonus pair. They bamboozled me. Says, do not soak for prolonged periods. Do not use high temperature drying. Don't vigorously rub iron printed labels. Don't use hot water for washing or disinfecting. Life is like a canvas. Splash it with colors and let it become art. Embrace every mood. Cherish love's rhythms as each week starts anew. Wear the mood. Feel the week. Do wash gently, do air dry naturally, do wash with liquid colors, do wash pouch inside and out. So very cool. So it comes with some other stuff. I don't know what the dog is barking at. Let's flip these around. We're going to start Monday to Sunday. So let's see if I can do this here. So like this. Sunday's gonna be out. Oh, jeez. There we go. Alright, which one's Monday? This one. Alright, let's start it. So it comes in these cool little boxes. Each one has the name branding, moods of the week. So if you wanted, you can just like bust this out every day, rip it apart, and bust out the first pair. So these are kind of some high-end underwear, and let me get to why. So check out this vent filter in the back. Gonna keep your crack nice and cool, so everybody's gonna love that. Very nice, almost like some mesh you would find in a swimsuit. These are also very lightweight, very, very soft to the touch. Great waistband, you know, that's what I look for. Love when they come with thick waistbands. I hate underwear that don't stay in place. And then let's flip these inside out, because something cool about BKIEO is they have a ball and banana separator here. So gonna keep it away from your leg so you're not going to chafe or anything like that, which is awesome. And then it has this nice printed logo right here so you can see the sizing and which way is front, but obviously the big old horseshoe in the front is going to tell you which way you need to go. So yeah, has a nice little pouch there, just going to keep everything nice and separated. This first pair for Monday is just the classic black, but overall looking really good. I am impressed with how soft these are too. They feel really, really high quality. I'm impressed. All right, moving on to Tuesday. Watch out. Gonna go with the gray pair. And I don't believe these have actually any markings of the week, so like you don't have to wear these on the actual day of the week. It just has them neatly packaged like so. So we got black, gray. Just fun. Ooh, pretty. Got this nice blue color. I'm excited to wear these to the gym to see, to have that vent. I bet it feels good, especially because most of my shorts are pretty lightweight too. I guess I can go ahead and put a pair on right now and we'll see how they feel, what we're working with here. I did get the medium, as you could see. And these are mostly polyester, it seems, so I don't think they're gonna shrink or anything. Wow, these feel amazing. They feel absolutely amazing. However, it does have like your ding-a-ling just out in the open though, because of the pouch. So I'm gonna try to show them without being too graphic here. So about mid-length, but it definitely does go through the pouch. And it does feel good. It's got like the nice mesh and stuff in there, so nothing too bad. I will link the website so you can kind of see what I'm saying. Got the nature feelings here. Wow, this feels different. It's definitely a little different, but I kind of like it. All right, let's move on to Friday. Got a purple plum color here. Yeah, these are really, really comfortable. Yeah. When I sit down, these are a little shorter than my usual ones. So they are obviously like kind of higher up on my leg. So more of my leg is exposed, but for the most part, it feels good. It doesn't feel like I'm exposed or anything. This one's Coffee Hangout. Very nice. The purple color was Have a Drink. Okay, I just saw that it has names on it. So Wednesday was Go for a Walk. Tuesday was Take an Exercise. Monday was Take a Nap. This one is Have a Drink. And then this one is Coffee Hangout. So you can match your underwear to the moods or whatever you got going on. You can make sure that you are properly equipped for the occasion. And then this one is Plan a Getaway. And I'm hoping it's green because that's what I want. Oh yeah, these look good. Yeah, got the vent on the back. So if you can see, it has all this extra fabric here in the front. So your banana is definitely just going to be like hanging out in the front. See what I mean? But what that does is it separates it from your legs, and inside it's super duper soft in there. And it's got the mesh, but you're not even really touching the mesh. The mesh is just sitting against you, and then you're inside. So very cool. I like them. Yeah, I'm a fan. Wish I could show you a little bit more, but it's a little graphic, so we're not gonna do that. But yeah, BKIEO, check them out. I am gonna have a coupon code down in the description. I'll also comment it down on the video, and it will be in my Discord, so make sure you're hanging out in the Discord. Can't go wrong. These are super duper soft, and like I said, no one likes chafing. If you're someone that's super active, just having you know, good underwear is kind of the baseline on where to start, especially, you know, if you're pushing yourself. That's the last thing you want to be worried about is, you know, being comfortable on your base layer. So BKIEO, hooking it up. I'm Jeff Robe. Thanks for tuning in today, and I'll be back soon when I got some more stuff for you.